Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my gas-powered 1/5 scale HPI Baja 5B out with me. Today we're doing something pretty cool. We're actually going to send this thing. We're going to send it big. I've actually got some ramps set up over here on the hillside. We're going to build up as much speed off that parking lot and just send her down the hill. There's a high probability we're going to break this machine today. Number one, it's very, very cold. It's only 20 degrees and there's quite a brisk wind today. So I do apologize if you hear that. I do have my wind catch on my phone, so that'll definitely help. But it's very cold nonetheless, and plastics are very, very brittle in the cold. But we're going to send this thing down the hillside. It's something I've been wanting to do. Now, if you're not familiar with this machine, it's an authentic HPI Baja, but it's actually running the 29cc dynamite motor that originally came in my Losi 5T. That is actually a Chongyang motor, as you can see. It's got a DDM Dominator pipe with a silencer. Even with the silencer, it's pretty loud. It's running Hostile Nightmare MX tires. There's hardly any give whatsoever to the tire, and the foam inside is the same way. So these are not going to be the greatest for cushioning. Still running the Monster Energy body. Hopefully it doesn't get too messed up in this video. This does already have one breakage on it. A few videos ago I broke the shock tower, or I suppose this would actually be considered the shock tower support. I never fixed it because it still actually holds. I felt like if I fixed it, it would just break again anyway, because this is a very vulnerable spot. You know, for any front end hit, all that strain goes right here. So I just left it broken. But I really do think there's a high probability we're going to break something today. But let me go ahead, get her started up, and we'll start sending this machine. Alright, got her primed. Come on. Almost. Nearly. Just listen to that noise. Let her warm up a second. By the way, I just did a speed test of this machine. If you're interested, check it out. I'll go ahead and leave a card in the corner. It does have stock gearing. It's pretty quick. Alright guys, time to rock and roll. Here we go. Oh, I got it. You can smell the two-stroke. I mean, you guys can't, but I can. I'm not going to do too much ripping on the grass. Alright, here's my ramps. You guys staring at my ramps, you can't figure out what they're for. That guy literally stopped there for a solid 20 seconds. He literally just stopped and just sat there. I thought at first he was just admiring the RC. He just looked at the ramps like, what the heck are these things doing here? What are they? Oh, I found that kind of funny. All right, we're going to do a couple up downs, a few speed passes, then we're going to jump these ramps. Sure, it's going to break. I'm almost positive it will. Start off the line. All right, get ready. Get that. Oh, she scoots though. It definitely scoots. All right, make sure it's clear, and let's do a speed pass. Here she comes. Not bad, right? It really is not bad. Let's jump this thing. It's time. We'll start off easy to begin with, and we'll start building up the jumps bigger and bigger. Let me zoom out on my camera real quick. There we go, all zoomed out. I'm gonna stand right here. That did not fly good. That actually flew really bad. That literally almost did a flip. Let me straighten up the ramps, we'll try her again. Alright, take number 2, here we go. We'll come up to it with less speed. Alright, that was pretty simple. Alright, let's go into another one. Nosedive, did we already break something? Looks like we might have already broken on something in the front. Did we break a shock? Seriously, I am disappointed. I mean, I knew something could break. Maybe it broke initially on that first jump, who's to say, but we just broke the front upper arm is done. Bummer. I was really hoping for a few more jumps than that. Look at how much the tires are worn down just doing all those slides around on the pavement. Well, good thing I did a couple flybys and a couple spins on the pavement before we started jumping it, because it did not last long at all. The plastic is so brittle. I don't care what brand it is unless it's RPM, and I still had RPM stuff break in this kind of weather. I don't care what brand of plastic. Plastic is brittle in the cold, and it's like 20 degrees out right now, guys. My mouth is numb. I'm slurring my speech because I can't even talk. But I just broke a suspension arm. I can't believe it broke already. Can't believe I broke it that easily. This thing does not fly gracefully. It might have been the way my ramps are set up, but it just does not fly good. Did we break something in the back too? Something looks funny in the back. We also broke this. Part of the wing is broken too. So I knew something would break. It's not the worst breakage in the world, but that's something to be expected, that an arm's gonna break on that. So, oh well, it is what it is. If you guys did enjoy this little bashing video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one. We'll have to do this again. Maybe come warmer weather, maybe when there's snow down, because when there's snow down, it'll land more gracefully with more cushioning. But either way, thanks for watching. See you later.